Hi makers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's good to have you back. Today we'll be making an exciting project called a DIY air pneumatic lift. So this project illustrates how we can use air pressure to lift and move objects. This is going to be a super fun and easy project, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get into the video. So in this project we have the our masking tape, we have a syringe, we have the ice cream stick, we have the wheel, and we have our tube. So we're going to form it into a triangle. We're going to be using the 3 sticks to form a triangle. So first of all, we're going to be using our tape to place it at the end of one stick, and also put the second stick at the end of the tape. So we'll wrap them together. And after that we're going to also wrap the tape at the end of the stick to form a triangle. We're going to do this for the next triangle that we'll be forming. So we have to put a stick across the triangles that we formed, the base that we formed, and this stick is going to form a base for the syringe. So we use the tape to tape it down, and also the top, and we also have to put a stick there in order to create more firmness for the syringe. When we had to insert air into one of the syringe, and the other syringe we don't put air into it, so we'll put our tube, we'll insert our tube into the 2 syringe, and we have to put the topper on the head of the syringe. So after that, I have to put the syringe without the air, attach the syringe without the air to our base, and I'm trying to exert pressure. You can see the more I push the pressure, it goes up and comes down. So this is the final stage of this project, and I've already hung my load, and I'm trying to lift the object. And as you can see, as I press as I exert air into the syringe, the object lifts up, and when I release the air, it goes down. So this is the final stage of our project, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in my next project. Thank you for staying with us.